Luxury isn't just about opulence. It's about creating a home that reflects your unique personality and lifestyle. Welcome to the episode 6 of Inside the Gardens at the Galaxy Garden. Currently, અમારા apartments under construction છે. But honestly, એ જ તમારો benefit છે. તમને એક perfect opportunity મળે છે to customize your space to match your vision and dream. Every detailing from layouts to finishes can be tailored to suit your preferences. Let's start with the living and dining areas. Do you prefer an open layout for a modern and spacious feel, or defined spaces for a more traditional and private setting? તમારી choice, તમારી design હવે તમારા હાથમાં છે. The kitchen is where functionality meets style, where you can choose from a variety of layouts and premium countertops. Whether you are a master chef or you enjoy casual cooking, તમારું કિચન તમારી નીડ્સ પ્રમાણે ડિઝાઇન થઈ શકશે. યોર બેડરૂમ ઇઝ યોર પર્સનલ રિટ્રીટ. ઇમેજિન તમારા કસ્ટમ વોર્ડરોબ્સ, એલિગન્ટ લાઇટિંગ એન્ડ ઇવન એન એક્સટેન્ડેડ બાલ્કની વેર યુ કેન અનવાઇડ ફ્રોમ ધ બિઝી ડે. હર એક ડિટેલ ઇઝ થોટફુલી ડિઝાઇન્ડ ટુ બ્રિંગ યુ ધ કમ્ફર્ટ એન્ડ ટ્રેન્ક્વિલિટી. લવ ધ આઉટડોર્સ? Transform your terrace into a cozy sit-out with a lush green wall or even your own private garden. જે પણ તમે કલ્પના કરો છો એ અમે સાકાર કરીશું. Customizing during the construction phase ensures that every feature is seamlessly integrated into the design, making your dream home robust and functional from the very beginning. At the Galaxy Gardens, we redefine luxury by putting you at the heart of the process. With us, your dream home isn't just a possibility, it's a promise. Your luxury, your way. Visit the sample flat today and contact us to start your customization journey and build a home as unique as you are.